Bring the ball here. Hey, ball. Jasper, get the ball. Yeah, drop the ball. Yeah, what do you think, huh? Does it look good? Yeah, oh, you want that, huh? Yeah? Alright, I'm going to throw it. Here we go. There it goes. Howdy. Hello. Well, yeah, here we go here. Yeah? Hi.
Down, there, down. Down.
Who is this?
This is Bear.
Bear?
Bear. He's a Schipperke Pomeranian.
B-E-A-R. There. This is
Who's
Jasper.
this? Although I call him Barely Bear sometimes. Oh,
Yeah.
down. This is Jasper?
Yeah, yeah. He's getting in his half hour of retrieving here.
Oh, he is good. Oh, there, down. He's licking your arms.
Yeah. What's that?
What kind of dog?
He's a vigorous hybrid.
A what?
Vigorous
A
hybrid.
vigorous hybrid. Yeah.
All you have to
The
do
best
is
kind.
see him here swimming in this ice cold water. And yeah,
Retriever for sure.
that's what he is, yeah.
Some retriever and shepherd maybe.
Yeah.
You think?
Not completely clear. I do plan to get a DNA test.
There you go.
What's that?
He actually Chesapeake.
Yeah.
But he's not.
I'm not sure. What is a Chesapeake?
A Chesapeake Bay Retriever. I used to have the sweetest dog I ever had.
Yeah. Like
Not
to
very smart.
like to retrieve, huh?
Great heart. They will if you leave them swimming in the ocean, they'll come out and try and save them. And try and pull them back into the water. Strong swimmers. It's amazing.
Yeah, yeah.